Hey everybody, it's me. Just wanted to drop a quick video on showing you how to turn in your Google Slides project to me. Once you're finished, you're going to click where it says posted a new assignment, Google Slides project. I'm borrowing Jace. Okay, so from here you're going to look and it says please finish your Google Slides project and turn it in to me by following the directions in this week's video. One you're on right now. You're going to go over to click add, click Google Drive or file, doesn't matter when you're on a Chromebook. Click Google Drive. Okay, if you can't see it automatically, it should be clicked in your recent. Okay, and for Jace, it's easy steps to make a Fortnite account. Once you click insert, it's going to ask you if you're done. All you have to do is click turn it in, and then you'll click turn it in to actually turn it in. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn it in. What happens if you aren't done with it yet? All you have to do is click unsubmit, unsubmit. Okay, especially if you get the wrong video in there. So that's how you're going to do it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. If you have any questions, ask somebody that got theirs turned in. That's it. Bye.